Is this a hive? Yes, it is. This is my circle hive that I featured in the 5 Hive challenge. It's a proof of concept hive, experimental only for now. And in the near future, I will reveal how it works and what's inside. But for now, I had promised you that I would show you how to make this camouflage on it. As you can see, it's I find it pretty. And all you need is 2 bottles of spray. You can use brown, but I use green and black, and a branch of cedar as flat as possible. So I'm going to go outside and do that, and in a matter of minutes it's going to be done. So let's go. So you simply take your green. If I had other colors, I'd put the brown, and just lightly go like this. And then it's very simple. Take this branch. You can use other things too, like fern leaves or whatever. Okay, just put it on. Go direct, not sideways. And there you go. You've got it. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. So I'm back inside, just to show you. Now it's dry, so I could pick it up. And this was fast. But you do a bit of it, and you get experience, and you can do a really good job. Alright, thank you, and